Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Wikipedia or Wikimedia Commons images in HTML pages on Khan Academy. So as you can see, I have a new web page open here. And the first thing you're going to want to do is go to either Wikipedia or Wikimedia Commons and find the image that you want to use. I personally prefer Wikimedia Commons because it has more images than Wikipedia has, so I'm going to go there. And you can use pretty much all the images that Wikimedia Commons has, so I'm going to look for a cat. We'll use this cat. So as you can see, I have the image page open here, and all I'm going to do is hover over the image, have my mouse over the image, and right click. Then I'm going to click on copy image location. Then I'm going to go back to my web page and go into the body of the web page and just use the standard image code. And paste it between the quotes, and you will still see the red error message. And these tend to be a little big, so I'm going to give it a height of 200. And there it is. And remember, you can do the same thing with Wikipedia. If you've already found an image on there you want to use, just copy the image location. Thanks for watching.